Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Redgear A15 gaming mouse. It is one of the best gaming mouse at this price. So let's go ahead and unbox the mouse, see what's inside, and after that I'll show you the installation process of this software to control its features. In the front of the box there is a picture of mouse and A15 branding, and it says it has 1.8 meters of cable length. It also has braided fiber cable. It also has RGB lighting. It has DPI up to 6400, which is pretty rare at this price. On the side of the box there is nothing much, and on the back functions of every button has been written, and in the bottom the size of the mouse is given, weight and all that thing. So now let's go ahead and open the box. When you open the box, you can find the mouse itself on a plastic bag. Let's put the box aside, take the mouse out of the bag. The first impression of the mouse is pretty good. The build quality is pretty good. The weight is also pretty good. As you can see, the bottom part of the mouse is metal, which is pretty good. It will make the mouse more durable. The buttons are clicky. The scroll wheel is pretty good. You have two buttons, as you can see, for changing DPI. On the right side of the mouse you can see two buttons which you can customize from the Redgear app. The cable, as you can see, it is braided cable. The quality of the cable is pretty good. The benefit of having a braided cable is that it will last much longer than normal rubber cables. The grip of the mouse is also pretty good. It has lights all around it. The scroll wheel has lights. The bottom part, as you can see, the grill has so many lights. The left and right parts of the mouse also had some lightings. So let's go ahead. I'll show you how to download its software to customize all the buttons and lightings of the mouse. First of all, open your browser and search for Redgear A15 driver. Click on the first link, it will redirect you to Redgear website. Once you're there, scroll down, you will find Redgear A15 wired gaming mouse. Click download driver. Download the file and wait for it to download. It is in RAR file, so you have to unzip it. Once you open the file, run the Redgear file, run the installation. Complete the installation. It is pretty simple. Once it's completed, open the gaming mouse app. As you can see, it is installed. As you can see, there are all the options here. You can customize all the buttons, change the functions of every button. It has two modes, office mode and gaming mode. You can change according to your use. It has advanced from where you can control all its sensitivities, settings and all those things. There is a light button. From there you can control the lighting, how the lighting should be. I will show you in a moment. And then there is a macro button. Now let me show you the advanced tab. As you can see, from here you can change the DPI of the mouse, its moving speed, double click speed and rolling speed, and different things you can change according to your liking. If you are into gaming and you want a good gaming mouse for cheap, you should definitely check it out, guys. It is pretty good mouse. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.